Memorial Medical Center, forever marked by the devastation of Hurricane Katrina. When the levees broke in 2005, this hospital was cut off. No power, no rescue, no way out. Over 2,000 people were trapped for days. At the center of the chaos, Dr. Anna Poe, later accused of euthanizing patients who couldn't be evacuated. Charges were dropped, but the debate still rages. This story inspired Apple TV's 5 Days at Memorial, and many believe the spirits of those who died still wander those dark, decaying halls.